Kit 300 Series Installation Instructions for 4x4 Wood Posts. Install the tensioning end first with the adjusted body with hanger bolt by driving the hanger bolt lag end into the 1/4 inch pre-drilled pilot hole in your end post using a 1/4 inch open end wrench or hanger bolt driver. Screw the lock nut all the way onto the 2-inch long threaded end of the bolt. Slide the body of the adjusted body with hanger bolt tensioner onto the bare end of the cable, threaded end first, and pull it the length of the cable until it's stopped by the ferrule already swedged onto the cable. Thread the body with the cable attached onto the threaded end of the bolt and turn halfway along the threads. Use an Allen hex wrench to drive the lag section of the fitting into your pre-drilled pilot hole. Thread the push lock coupler onto the lag and tighten with a 7/16 inch wrench. Make sure the post side of the push lock lag is flush against the post. Pull the cable tightly alongside the fitting and mark the cable 1 3/16 inches from the end of the fitting opposite the post. At post A, detach the body from the hanger bolt to allow cable slack so you can perform the next step. At post B, push the cable into the hole in the fitting as far as it will go. Twist the cable in a right-hand direction as you push it into the fitting. At post A, hand turn the body back onto the hanger bolt as far as possible. Tension the cable by holding it to prevent the cable from turning while you turn the adjusted body with a 1/4 inch open end wrench. Be careful to protect the cable from damage while tensioning the adjusted body. Any remaining visible thread may be needed for future tightening. Turn the lock nut against the body and tighten with open end wrenches. Tension in sequence, beginning with the outside cables and moving back and forth toward the center. Finished cables should be tensioned to have only 1/4 inch of play when finger pulled.